What benefits?
There's tons of benefits as a racer and a normal rider as well for having the tank grips on. I myself could never ride without them. Honestly, the guys questioned a lot at the start of the year whether I needed them and which one specifically. And it's a really particular thing of mine that helps with cornering, braking, making sure you're in the right position on the bike. It enables you to grip your knees and your legs so much better and be able to move and make sure you're sat in the right place on the seat.
What is it about Eazi-Grip that you think is better perhaps than others?
The grip and the feel of it. I feel like I get a really good feel from the grip itself on my knees, and obviously grips really well. So that just means that I can keep myself in the right place, and I've always liked it ever since I started on sports bikes. It's been definitely my one of choice. So,
and for the people that are watching this video, we make two types of grip. We're doing the Evo, which is the big bumps, and the Pro Series, which is the little bumps. It's the Pro Series that you prefer, and is that because you can move around on the bike a little bit, or do you just prefer having less interference?
Yeah, I just like the feel of the small bumps, like the flat grip. You can feel the bumps on your knees, or I can feel the bumps on my knees, so I just prefer the feel. I think the grip's good on both, but in terms of personal preference, I prefer the small one.
Well, thanks for all the feedback on that, and cheers.